Hi guys! In this video I'll be showing you how I decluttered / organized my bathroom, and since I've decluttered and organized, my bathroom has remained much cleaner and I've rarely had to clean as often as I used to before I went through the process of decluttering and organizing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you have any questions, comments, please feel free to leave them below. If you enjoyed this video, rate, subscribe, share it, and you'll catch me in the next video. Thanks for stopping by. Have a blessed day, guys. On to the video. Alright guys, so here I am standing in the entrance of my bathroom. This is what you see once you're in the entryway of the bathroom. To the right here is where the first mess of the bathroom was. This was a vanity table that we placed there so we could do our makeup and our nails. But as you see in this video, that's not what the table became useful for. It was storage space basically for hair related products, brushes, mirror, perfumes, and the like. Further into the bathroom, we just have a vanity area or sink area where we have a toothbrush and hand wash and hand lotion. Here you could see our bath tissue, a candle, and air freshener. Very simple items. The majority of the problem, or where the major problem was underneath the sink. As you can see here, it became so cluttered that you couldn't even access certain things. I purchased this 3-drawer organizer from Walmart to help, but then that became useless. So in the first drawer we stored cotton balls and the like. The second drawer here we stored nail related products like nail polish and stuff. And in the third drawer we stored hair conditioner, hair shampoo, and stuff like that. But here was very, very difficult to get to items that you needed. In order to get to items, you had to remove items to be able to see what was at the back, and it was the problem area. So that's one of the main reasons why I wanted to attack this bathroom. So again, I'm just showing you what we have here, very simple. And two major problem areas were the vanity table and underneath the vanity sink. So I'm going to walk you through some of the things that I did to declutter this bathroom. Okay, so first things first is underneath the sink. As I stated earlier, this was the major problem of the bathroom, and what I wanted to do was actually declutter there because my organizational system was no longer functional. It became very hard to reach items that you needed to reach. So the first thing I wanted to do was reach out and declutter. And so now I am actually pulling out everything from underneath the sink and to start afresh. Okay, so now that I've pulled everything out from underneath the sink, what I did here was I took a liner and actually measured it to the length and width of the floor of the cabinet underneath the sink, and then I cut it. I didn't want any liner that could stick on there, but I did want a liner because we did have some spillage underneath the sink that damaged the flooring or the cabinet floor. So I wanted something to line there in case of future spills, but I didn't want anything that was going to be sticky there because I knew we'd want to take it out eventually. So I just used a liner that I had. I don't even remember where I got it from. I had this for quite a while, and I just freehanded the length and width and made sure it fit, and it did, and that's what I used as the covering for my cabinet floor. Alright guys, so here I am now in the entrance of my bathroom, and this is the after I've cleared up everything. So here, if you remember, this was the very messy entranceway where we had the vanity table, and which was all cluttered with hair products and everything, and you'll see that picture in the bottom left corner. But this is the after. I cleared it off, and so all we have here is this DIY mirror tray that I made, and I will link a video to that. A video to that will be coming soon actually, so stay tuned for that. But I created this DIY mirror tray to hold these items, and I also made these decorative thumbtack styrofoam balls as well, and I will link the video to that as a decorative piece for the bathroom. And all I have here are just my cotton swabs and my cotton balls and a container holding my combs and brushes and my mirror, and that's it. And I love how it looks. Moving in here, I just had a container where I put our air freshener and our toilet paper just to hold it and make it look a little bit more organized, and I placed that on top of my uh, toilet. I do have an updated toilet paper storage, but stay tuned for that toilet paper storage box as well. And here nothing changed here except that I got an acrylic container that I already had just to organize our hand soap and hand lotion. Now moving on onto what was the major problem of the bathroom is underneath the sink here. And I will insert a picture of the before in the left hand corner, but as you can see here, it's very well organized. I love how I could see everything. I could have quick access to everything that I need, and it was really good. These containers, I actually purchased them from the Dollar Tree. They were really vibrant colors, and I just pre-painted them in black. And that's all I did. This shower caddy I also purchased. It was one of the items that I spray painted in black. And I just stored some of my sponges and bathroom cleaning products in there for easy access and better organization. The table underneath which it's stored I actually created myself, and I will insert a quick footage of that. So this is the footage of me actually cutting out the wood for the little table that I showed you. I did it with a handsaw and it took me quite a while. So I would recommend, if you're going to go that route, that you use some type of wood machine to make it much easier. But I just wanted something easy to be able to better organize my containers. These two shower caddies, I purchased them from Walmart, and they did come with some suction cups at the back of them. I just removed those and adhered Velcro to the back of it, so I had a more sturdy storage. And this square container, I used it to store some of our bath soaps and body wash. And what you see hanging here, I purchased from the Dollar Tree a couple years ago, I think, and I just used that to store my spray bottles. And for my gloves, I just hang it on a command hook on my door. Um, and that's pretty much it. That's how I organized and decluttered my bathroom cabinet. I love how it looks right now. I love how clean and organized it is. I love how easily accessible all my items are. I don't have to remove items to be able to get to others. Thanks for watching, and you guys will see me in the next one.